smoking weed, but oh, it's 1957 is American customer. Wow.
That's a good looking car, man. You did a good job.
Give it a minute. You'll sell in. Give it a minute.